Hi Bobby, so I finished looking over your lesson plan and here is some feedback for you. So I see that you're tackling claim data warrant with 8th graders and obviously have chosen the perfect evidence outcome for that. I like your global, your essential questions, both global and content area. Understanding, really helping them to parse out the difference between a claim and an opinion is sometimes a tough thing to do, and I think you did a really beautiful job at it. Okay, so let's go on into your lesson plan, your formative assessments. Wonderful, great. Okay, so for your learning activity, you start out with write something from their real world, like a lot of you guys aren't in dress code anymore. Do you like that, yes or no? So you're allowing them to really engage and bring their opinions into the classroom right from the beginning. And then when you move into, right, what are we going to do with this? Okay. What I'm thinking is, sorry about that. What I'm thinking is I think you might have a bit of a rough transition here. First, you had them think of their opinion, right? Do you like the dress code or do you not like the dress code? And then you move into claim data and warrant, telling them that they're going to have like an in-class debate essentially on this, and you're going to assign them sides, and their peers are going to judge them. So at this moment, they're all sitting there thinking, oh, she better assign me to the I hate dress code side because I hate dress code, and there's no way I can argue for it. So that might be kind of a rocky transition in there, and you would need to be ready for that. And then your definitions are wonderful, like the definition of claim, it has to be arguable. And I love how you took a couple statements later on and went through like the analysis of it. Is this a claim? Oh, it does this, but not that, so it's not. The other thing I worry about is really just order of operations here. If you begin by, okay, what's your opinion? Well, no matter, because I'm going to assign you a side. And then you start with claim and then move into data and warrant, especially in 8th grade, right? It's such a critical year. What tends to happen is that kids form an idea in their head, and then they go out there and get research to support the idea that they had in their head, rather than doing some research first so that they have a foundation from which to draw a claim. Remember the chart that I drew on the board, right? Data was first, claim was second. And that's to start to, begin to break them of this habit that they should just go out there and find things that agree with them and just ignore all the other research. Because that becomes a really dangerous pattern for kids to carry on through high school and even into college. So other than your order of operations, I think that your definitions are really well done. And I love the way that you walk them through, deciding what a claim is and what a claim is not. And then you have them pair up and look at some example claims, some example things that could be claims. I think that's really beautiful, very nicely done. So I think you can set this up well. You're going to have the problem of all the kids wanting to say what they want to say and not because you assigned it to them. So that's the only tweak I would make to this one, that and the order of operations. Other than that, really well done. Thanks.